Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to hide WhatsApp number and make call and do chat. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So you guys have to just simply open up your Play Store. So after opening up the Play Store, first you have to just simply search for WhatsApp and make sure you just have to update your WhatsApp application first. So here you guys can see WhatsApp Messenger has been updating. So after successfully updating, you have to just simply open it. So after opening up the WhatsApp, you have to just simply go to the top right corner of three dots, and here you have to just simply click on settings. So after coming to setting, you have to just simply go to the privacy section. So after coming to privacy section, here you guys will be able to see that who can see my personal info. So you guys can see my last scene has already been to nobody. You guys can make it to nobody, and the profile picture you guys can also set it to nobody. So after making it more secure, now you have to just simply head over to the about section. It is the main section which allow you to hide your phone number, or you guys can do message and chat with anyone without showing your phone number. So you have to just simply go to about section, and in the about section you have to just simply go to nobody instead of everyone. So after coming to nobody, in this way you guys will be able to hide your WhatsApp number, and you guys can make call and do chat without even showing phone number to anyone. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.